The term listed appears 1116 times in the 2005 National Electrical Code, up from 864 in the 2002 edition. The term identified appears 491 times in the 2005 NEC, an increase from 455 in the 2002 code. The term approved is used 394 times in the 2005 NEC compared to 371 in the 2002 version. Lastly, the term listed for the purpose appears 24 times in the 2005 NEC, a decrease from 59 occurrences in the 2002 code. The increased frequency of the term listed within the National Electrical Code highlights the growing emphasis on utilizing equipment and materials that have undergone evaluation and certification by a nationally recognized testing laboratory, such as Underwriters Laboratories, often referred to as UL. This increased usage underscores the importance of ensuring that electrical products meet established safety standards and performance criteria before being installed or used in electrical systems. The listing process involves rigorous testing and evaluation to verify that products comply with applicable safety requirements, reducing the risk of electrical hazards such as fire, shock, and injury. The increased presence of the term identified and approved suggests a broadening emphasis on adhering to specific requirements and criteria outlined within the National Electrical Code. Identified often refers to equipment or materials that have been evaluated and found suitable for a particular purpose, location, or application. This may involve considerations such as voltage ratings, environmental conditions, or compatibility with other components in the electrical system. Approved, on the other hand, typically signifies acceptance by the authority having jurisdiction, often a local electrical inspector or code official, indicating that the installation or equipment meets the requirements of the NEC and local regulations. The decrease in the frequency of the term listed for the purpose may signal a transition away from specifying highly specific products or applications within the National Electrical Code. This could indicate a move towards more general terminology that allows for greater flexibility and innovation in electrical system design and installation. Instead of prescribing specific products by name, the NEC may focus on outlining performance requirements and safety standards that must be met regardless of the specific product used. This approach encourages manufacturers to develop new and improved products while ensuring that they meet the essential safety and performance criteria outlined in the code. Overall, these trends reflect the ongoing evolution of the National Electrical Code to address emerging technologies, changing industry practices, and the need for enhanced electrical safety. The increased emphasis on listed equipment and materials, coupled with a broader focus on meeting specific requirements and criteria, underscores the importance of staying informed about the latest code revisions and best practices for electrical installations. To elaborate further on the implications of these changes, it is important to understand the role of listing agencies such as UL in ensuring the safety and reliability of electrical products. These agencies conduct extensive testing and evaluation to verify that products meet established safety standards, such as those developed by organizations like the American National Standards Institute, often referred to as ANSI. When a product is listed by a recognized testing laboratory, it signifies that it has been subjected to rigorous testing and found to comply with the applicable safety requirements. This provides assurance to installers, inspectors, and end users that the product is safe to use when installed and operated in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. The increase in the term identified also has significant implications for electrical installations. The NEC requires that equipment and materials be identified for their intended use, which means that they must be suitable for the specific application, location, and environmental conditions in which they will be installed. This may involve considerations such as voltage ratings, temperature ratings, and protection against moisture, corrosion, or other environmental factors. By ensuring that equipment and materials are properly identified for their intended use, electrical installers can help to prevent failures, hazards, and other problems that could arise from using inappropriate or incompatible products. The term approved highlights the importance of obtaining approval from the authority having jurisdiction before commencing any electrical work. This typically involves submitting plans and specifications for review and obtaining a permit to ensure that the proposed installation complies with the NEC and local regulations. Electrical inspectors will then conduct inspections throughout the construction process to verify that the work is being performed in accordance with the approved plans and specifications. By obtaining approval from the authority having jurisdiction, electrical contractors can ensure that their work meets the required safety standards and avoid costly delays or rework. The decrease in the term listed for the purpose may reflect a trend towards performance-based codes, which focus on specifying the desired outcome or performance criteria rather than prescribing specific products or methods. This approach allows for greater flexibility and innovation in electrical system design and installation, as it encourages manufacturers to develop new and improved products that meet the required performance standards. However, it also places a greater responsibility on electrical engineers, designers, and installers to ensure that the chosen products and methods will achieve the desired outcome and comply with all applicable safety requirements. In addition to the specific terms mentioned, there are many other important concepts and requirements within the National Electrical Code that electrical professionals should be familiar with. These include topics such as grounding and bonding, overcurrent protection, wiring methods, equipment installation, and special occupancies. Staying up to date with the latest code revisions and interpretations is essential for ensuring the safety and reliability of electrical installations. Furthermore, it is crucial to understand the relationship between the National Electrical Code and other applicable standards and regulations. In many jurisdictions, electrical installations must comply with both the NEC and local building codes, as well as any applicable state or federal regulations. These codes and regulations may address issues such as energy efficiency, accessibility, and environmental protection, in addition to safety. Therefore, electrical professionals must have a comprehensive understanding of all applicable requirements to ensure that their work is compliant and meets the needs of their clients and the community. Moreover, consider the implications for manufacturers of electrical equipment and materials. The increased emphasis on listed products may incentivize manufacturers to invest in testing and certification to demonstrate compliance with recognized safety standards. This can lead to improved product quality and increased confidence among consumers and installers. Manufacturers may also need to adapt their product designs and manufacturing processes to meet the evolving requirements of the National Electrical Code and other applicable standards. For example, they may need to incorporate new safety features, improve insulation materials, or enhance the durability of their products to ensure that they can withstand the rigors of real-world use. The increase in the terms identified and approved may also require manufacturers to provide more detailed information about their products and their intended applications. This could include providing clear and concise instructions for installation, operation, and maintenance, as well as detailed specifications regarding voltage ratings, temperature ratings, and other relevant parameters. Manufacturers may also need to work closely with listing agencies and code officials to ensure that their products are properly evaluated and approved for use in specific applications. The decrease in the term listed for the purpose may create opportunities for manufacturers to develop innovative products that meet the performance requirements of the National Electrical Code without being specifically listed for a particular application. This could encourage manufacturers to focus on developing versatile products that can be used in a wide range of applications as long as they meet the essential safety and performance criteria. However, it also places a greater responsibility on manufacturers to clearly communicate the limitations and intended uses of their products to avoid misuse or misapplication. From an educational perspective, the changes in term frequency within the National Electrical Code highlight the importance of providing comprehensive training and education to electrical professionals. Electrical apprentices, journeymen, and master electricians need to stay informed about the latest code revisions, industry best practices, and emerging technologies to ensure that they can perform their work safely and effectively. Educational institutions, trade associations, and manufacturers play a crucial role in providing this training and education. They can offer courses, workshops, and seminars on a variety of topics, including code compliance, safety procedures, and new product technologies. They can also provide access to online resources such as videos, webinars, and technical documents to help electrical professionals stay up to date on the latest developments in the field. In addition, it is important to promote a culture of continuous learning and professional development within the electrical industry. Electrical professionals should be encouraged to attend continuing education courses, participate in industry conferences, and pursue certifications to enhance their knowledge and skills. This will not only improve their individual performance but also contribute to the overall safety and reliability of electrical installations. Furthermore, the implications extend to the realm of research and development within the electrical engineering field. The evolving landscape of the National Electrical Code necessitates ongoing research to address emerging challenges and opportunities in electrical safety and performance. This research can focus on a variety of areas, including the development of new materials, technologies, and methods for improving the safety, reliability, and efficiency of electrical systems. Researchers can also investigate the causes of electrical failures and accidents to identify potential hazards and develop strategies for preventing them. The results of this research can then be used to inform future revisions of the National Electrical Code and other applicable standards, ensuring that they reflect the latest scientific knowledge and best practices. Collaboration between researchers, industry professionals, and code officials is essential for ensuring that research efforts are aligned with the needs of the electrical industry and that the results are effectively translated into practical applications. This collaboration can take many forms, including joint research projects, industry advisory boards, and participation in code development committees. By working together, these stakeholders can help to advance the state of knowledge in electrical engineering and improve the safety and reliability of electrical systems. In considering the broader societal impact, the emphasis on listed equipment and materials contributes to a safer environment for homes, businesses, and communities. By ensuring that electrical products meet established safety standards, the risk of electrical fires, shocks, and other hazards is reduced, protecting lives and property. The reduction in the term listed for the purpose may also have implications for innovation and economic development. By allowing for greater flexibility in product design and application, the NEC can encourage manufacturers to develop new and improved products that meet the evolving needs of the marketplace. This can lead to increased competition, lower prices, and improved product performance, benefiting consumers and businesses alike. In summary, the statistical changes in term frequency within the National Electrical Code reflect a dynamic and evolving landscape within the electrical industry. The increased emphasis on listed equipment and materials, the broadening focus on meeting specific requirements and criteria, and the shift away from specifying highly specific products or applications all have significant implications for electrical professionals, manufacturers, educators, researchers, and society as a whole. By understanding these implications and adapting to the changing requirements of the NEC, stakeholders can help to ensure the safety, reliability, and efficiency of electrical systems for years to come. It is crucial for all stakeholders to remain vigilant, proactive, and collaborative in addressing the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. By working together, we can continue to improve the safety and performance of electrical systems and create a brighter, safer, and more sustainable future for all. The trend towards increased digitalization and automation in electrical systems also presents new challenges and opportunities for code development and enforcement. As more and more devices and systems become interconnected, the potential for cyber attacks and other security breaches increases. The NEC must address these emerging threats by incorporating cybersecurity requirements and best practices into the code. This may involve specifying minimum security standards for connected devices, requiring the use of encryption and authentication protocols, and implementing measures to protect against unauthorized access and control. In addition, the NEC must adapt to the changing energy landscape, including the growth of renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power. These technologies present unique challenges for electrical system design and installation, such as the need for bidirectional power flow, energy storage systems, and advanced grid management technologies. The NEC must address these challenges by incorporating specific requirements for renewable energy systems, ensuring that they are safely and reliably integrated into the electrical grid. The NEC must also address the growing concern about energy efficiency and sustainability. This may involve incorporating requirements for energy-efficient lighting, appliances, and equipment, as well as promoting the use of smart grid technologies that can optimize energy consumption and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. By promoting energy efficiency and sustainability, the NEC can help to reduce the environmental impact of electrical systems and contribute to a more sustainable future. Lastly, the NEC must continue to evolve to meet the needs of an increasingly diverse and globalized world. This may involve harmonizing the NEC with international standards, such as those developed by the International Electrotechnical Commission, often referred to as IEC, and adapting the code to accommodate different cultural practices and building traditions. The NEC must also address the challenges of providing electrical services to underserved communities, ensuring that all people have access to safe, reliable, and affordable electricity. By embracing diversity and globalization, the NEC can help to create a more equitable and sustainable future for all.